Okay, welcome to Scripting 3. Here you can learn about scripting tips and tricks in 3 minutes, mostly focused on Google Apps Script. So here I'm just going to introduce Google Apps Script. You can see on the screen here that Google Apps Script can be applied to Google Docs, Google Sheets and Google Slides and all the other suite of Google applications. And you might be wondering, well, what is AppScript? Essentially, AppScript is a way for you to connect your documents to the outside world, your Google applications to the outside world, or to connect them to each other. People call them macros, but I think that they're way more than macros. When people talk about macros, we think about Excel and just kind of automating tasks. Google Apps Script can do that, but it can do a whole lot more as well. As I said, they can connect the different documents together, and they can connect you to the outside world. And this channel will be helping you to learn how and see how to do that. So moving on, so where can you find Google Apps Script? Essentially, if you go up to Tools in a Google Slide or a Google Sheet or a Google Doc, if you go up to Tools, you can see down here, Script Editor. And if you open up that, then it will bring up essentially a access to Google Apps Script. And in this case, this one is attached to that document. There is also available a standalone app scripts, and they are essentially, if you go to your Google Drive, let me show you that. So in your Google Drive, you will find this option here to go to New, and then you can go down to More, and you will find Google Apps Script here. And this it can be an entirely standalone script, and that has lots of purposes. Again, joining documents to Google Documents together, or connecting to the outside world and bringing data in for that. Okay, so that's an introduction to what Google Apps Script is. Please click subscribe, and also check out my other videos to learn more about how to use Google Apps Script.